How to make a BigCommerce store for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own BigCommerce store for free. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to bigcommerce.com and you will get to this platform right here. Now you can see we have an enterprise. Now this is for a huge company, but we can get our online store with essentials right here. Go to essentials and then you will get the option right here, get started. Click on get started and you can see we can get an online store for free. You have to enter your information right here, your first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and store name. We can also select the size for our online business, our earnings, or if we are a growing business, maturing, large enterprise, and others. So I'm going to select just starting and fill in this information. Once the information is added, click on create your store. And now you can see your store is being created. And this way you will be able to create your BigCommerce store for free. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.